A win-back series is a great way to win back customers who have purchased from your store previously but haven't purchased in a long time. With automations, you can set up multiple emails in this series. To get started creating an automation, navigate to the automations page. Now click the new automations button and give it a name. For a win-back series, you'll want to create a segment-triggered automation. Select a segment from the drop-down on the left-hand side of the automation builder. You can select our pre-made segment, at-risk subscribers, or create a new smart segment at the bottom of the drop-down. If you create a segment, you want to add the rules has ordered more than 0 times, has not ordered in more than 180 days. The amount of days is dependent on when you think it's been too long since a customer placed an order. For groceries, that may be a week. For a new car, that may be several years. After you select a segment, choose the rules for when subscribers join the segment. For a win-back series, you want to choose whenever rules match, as you'd like this email to send every time your customers haven't purchased in a while. Once you've enabled the automation, you can no longer change the list that triggers the automation. For this win-back series, I'm going to trigger my first email immediately after subscribers enter this segment. So I'll place an email directly under the trigger. Once you drag your email into the automation, you can give it a name for your own records and a subject line. Then click Edit to design your email. You'll be directed to our email composer where you can add content and create your campaign. Once you're done, click Enable and you'll be directed back to your automation in progress. The design of this email is up to you, but typically in your first email, you simply want to tell customers you miss them and remind them of your popular new products and offer them a discount if possible. Next, before we add another email, we will schedule it by using a time delay, which adds delay between actions in your automation. We simply drag it into our automation and set the time you'd like to delay the next action until. Now that we're able to add another email, just drag the email under your time delay. Once you've done that, design and enable your email. Typically, in this email, you'd want to offer a bigger discount as a last chance effort to win your customers back. If you'd like to add another email to your series, simply repeat steps 4 and 5 by placing another time delay and email under your last email placed. Now that all your emails are in place, click Enable at the top right of the screen, and you'll be prompted to confirm that you'd like to enable your welcome series. And that's it, you're done.